Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make an ube pound cake. This is our ube flavored version based on Donald's great-grandmother's traditional pound cake recipe.
In a way, it's the perfect combination of both of our heritages, and we're super excited to share this recipe with you all.
To start, let 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 5 large eggs, 1/4 cup of full-fat sour cream, and 1/4 cup of ube halaya come to room temperature. Take a tube pan and butter the bottom and sides very generously. Be sure to add extra butter to the corners of the pan where the sides and bottom meet, as this cake has a strong tendency to stick in these spots during baking. Line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper, then very generously butter the parchment paper as well, adding more butter to the corners. Finally, generously flour the bottom and the sides of the tube pan with a thin layer of flour, which will stick to the butter and help the cake unmold after baking. Add more butter to the corners as needed. When all your ingredients are at room temperature, place an oven rack on the lower third position and preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Then take a large mixing bowl and a sieve, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Sift these together and whisk to combine. Set aside these dry ingredients. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in the 2 sticks of room temperature unsalted butter. With a paddle attachment, beat on medium-low speed. With the mixer on medium-low speed, slowly add in 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar at a time. Continue beating till the butter and sugar are creamed together. As soon as the butter and sugar are creamed together, stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl and paddle attachment. Then turn onto medium speed and add in the 5 room temperature eggs, adding each egg 1 at a time, making sure that the previous egg is fully mixed in before adding the next one. When all the eggs are fully mixed in, stop the mixer. Add in the 1/4 cup of full-fat sour cream, 1/4 cup of ube halaya, 1 tablespoon of ube extract, and ½ teaspoon of purple food coloring gel paste. Mix these in until well combined. Stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl and paddle attachment.
We think the addition of ube to this traditional pound cake is just perfect, as ube's natural earthy nuttiness goes so well with the buttery flavors of this cake. Turn the mixer on to level 1 and slowly add in the dry ingredients, 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix just until everything is well combined. When all the dry ingredients have been added, stop the mixer and scrape the paddle attachment and bowl one last time to ensure there are no unmixed dry ingredients. Then mix again just for a few more seconds. Transfer the batter onto the prepared tube pan. This batter is going to be thick, so you might have to spoon it in slowly. Then use a spoon to even out the top as much as you can. We're going to bake this in the preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out without any wet batter. A couple of moist crumbs on the toothpick are okay. Let it cool in the tube pan for 10 minutes. When it is cooled for 10 minutes in the pan, while the cake is still warm, invert it onto a metal rack. Let it cool upside down completely to room temperature. When the cake reaches room temperature, take your serving dish, place it upside down over the cake, and invert the cake back right side up onto the serving dish. Now you can serve this with toppings like whipped cream, powdered sugar, mango, and makapuno, but this cake is so rich and flavorful that we like to eat it just as it is. And there it is, a deliciously buttery and dense ube pound cake. The crackly, crunchy top crust and moist, smooth inner crumb make this the perfect dessert. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. As always, I love anything ube flavored.
And ube's nuttiness goes so well with the dense richness of this pound cake.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this ube pound cake. Send us pictures of your creations in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!